Mama shades the world. Okay, y'all. Okay. So now what we have here. What we got to do over here? Let's go back. Wait, we ain't going way back.
McCormick, every dish is made to share.
Let the feast begin.
McCormick, make your best.
What do you do?
Oh, Mama Shay, damn. You need to clean that ring and them nails is.
We do it different.
I'm sorry.
He said we do it different.
Oh, my bad.
So let me ask you a question. I'm on here not this. You know what? I'm just me. But I wasn't feeling too good, right? And Skylar and Alan didn't have school. One thing about Skylar, she gonna make sure any chance she get, I'm getting to my Gigi house. So they was in here just chilling. I'm like, oh my God, I gotta get up and feed them. She was like, Gigi, don't even worry about it. I got this. How about we just go get some crablets? If I don't feel good and I gotta get up to cook, what makes you think it's gonna be easier for me to get out and drive? Mind y'all, we in blizzard conditions, right? But guess what Gigi did? Got her rust ass up and went on to the restaurant. Because this was their idea and they wanted to do this video. And I thought it was kind of cute. I should have had my questions. So we might do a do-over with all four, with three of them. Because G going to be just in her own little world. But I'm not going to say Mike. We are going to redo it for their channel. With all three of them. Let me go back to what he just said. What he say?
Oh, I'm sorry. This is your video. Oh, my bad.
We need 10,000 subscribers for a diamond play buddy.
For a diamond what?
Diamond play buddy.
A diamond play buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all gotta excuse me. It's the blizzard outside.
He said, and a Bugatti. This new soccer thing he got going on got him asking for expensive gifts.
Stop asking.
Oh, yeah?
Okay,
See, I asked them that we want to go back home. They didn't want to.
Yeah, but that ain't how.
okay, let's go out.
We could have did it better at home.
This is question, dude. Ooh, y'all, look at these crowns right here. Stop it. Look at them. Stop, yeah.
Okay, so. Okay, go ahead and introduce yourself. This y'all channel. Go ahead.
They know us.
They know us.
Here go, y'all.
I can't see.
Here you go,
Now
Mama
you got
say.
it on the camera.
I can't.
There you go, right there. Okay, so guys, they dragged me out the house. Right, so excuse me. They wanted
What? D-D-D.
some crab legs.
Okay, can you ask a question?
I am. So this video is gonna be called
Who knows Gigi better?
Who Knows Gigi?
Mama say. Who did this to Gigi? Y'all, guess what I got?
Mama Shay or Gigi?
Gigi. I got $1,000 gift.
Huh?
That's for $1,000. That's for Christmas.
Okay, so I'm gonna be making up the questions. And I'm
Look
gonna
at that.
so is the person who wins, are they gonna get a gift? Or
Yeah, a gift.
what y'all gonna get? Why is my glasses like this?
Guess what we're gonna get?
Y'all, I got transitional lens. I don't know why they want. What?
Neck stuck like an MF, couldn't move, not a bit.
$20 bill? Okay, so whoever wins, I'm gonna use my hand.
Why is this little boy so expensive? I want 20,000. What? You $20?
What the heck?
Yeah, maybe I'll need some
So
microphone.
I'm gonna do some who?
Microphone. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay, so I'm gonna do 10 questions, and whoever gets 5 points is the winner, okay? No sore losers. I don't play that sore loser crap. Okay? Okay. So, I'm gonna have to think of the questions. Who knows Gigi better? First question. How many kids does Gigi have? You have to
Look at
wait
her.
until-
She going
okay,
too
now
fast.
The question, Miss Ma'am, know it all.
She going fast.
She got 1, and I got 0.
How many sons do I have?
2.
Okay, both of y'all got a point.
No, she got 2. She got 1.
No, I
You
got that.
understand?
I erased that other question because she said it before I was done. She was cheap. Okay?
Yeah, that was called
So
cheap.
y'all at 1-1. Okay?
Yeah, my nails look
Next
bad on
question.
camera. What the? WTF? Mama Shay, get it together.
What's my mama name?
Got him.
Bertha.
Oh no. They had that one right.
You know what? 2-1. How do you know my mama's name? I'm glad you know it. I'm glad you do know it.
Man, y'all, I be
Okay, that's
wishing.
two.
Man, why do people have to age and why do we have expiration dates? Man, if my mama was here and with these word rights, content would be totally different if my mama was here.
Let's see if y'all can remember. Let's see if y'all can know this one. What is one of my brother's names? Darius is my son, Lon. That's my son. Okay, so 3-1. Okay, so next question. We might have to do more than 10 questions, Lon, because we got to use.
Let's do 20.
Huh? 20?
I just said you 10 already.
Okay, we got 3-1. What's my real name?
I got 3 too. Your real name
What's my real name, Lon?
is. Yeah.
What's my real name, Lon?
I don't know, man.
I don't know,
You don't
man.
know your GD name?
We practice this a lot.
What do you like to drink? What y'all want to drink?
Lemonade.
2 lemonade. And I'll take y'all got Pepsi or Coke?
I should not have been getting no soda.
I shouldn't be having no Honda, but who cares? Okay, 3-1. 4-1.
What?
I don't even know what the score was, y'all. I was just trying to go with the flow.
It's 3-2?
No, I got 2.
Oh, you got 2? Okay, it's 4-2. 4-2. What grade do I teach?
Hello, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
AJ? How you doing, AJ?
I'm
They
AJ.
already know what they
Oh,
want.
hold on, y'all. It smells like my meat.
What you want? Okay.
I got some lamb chops on. Hold on. 1 second. Oh, y'all, I thought my meat was burning. You eat the D?
Wow.
Okay, so tell her what you want. She want a crab roll.
Okay.
With mild sauce.
Y'all, I can't. They gonna have so much fun on their channel this summer. I can't wait.
What kind of what?
I'm like really geeked.
The crab leg.
Okay, half-pound crab leg?
Half pound, yep.
Okay. You got it right.
Listen,
And
you
then
got it right.
What else? You want extra? What extra egg?
Now, 1 egg.
No extra. Gonna come with 1 egg.
No, you want a half-pound. No spice.
No spice.
No spice is still having no spice.
Yeah, they eat here all the time. And then I'll take a small fried calamari hard. Fried hard. And then that's it. Yeah. Can you add the yum yum sauce for my calamari? The dipping sauce?
You drink grade.
Huh?
Of course, I should be at school. Plus.
And what grade you in? He got it right.
32.
I teach all grades when I could, but he got it right because you didn't. He said first grade. Actually, I do high school and you in line grade. That's it.
Wait.
Okay, come on with the questions. Okay, what is Okay, I did. What's my daddy name?
If you own
Did they get that one right?
Life and work no longer have
I don't know if they
boundaries.
got that one right.
And sometimes you have to manage it.
We gonna see.
Well, look at that. Let's get more from your business. Let's get more from money. Huntington Bank.
Yeet the D.
Imagine that. Fresh sheet
Come
day.
on now.
Could
Come on,
become
come on.
fresh
Make
sheet
sure y'all like, comment,
with
subscribe,
daily
hit that post
Eco
notification
Fresh.
bell button
Weekly
over
cleans
there,
and
over
more
here,
freshness.
and over
Night
there.
after night for up to 7 days. Down
They
your
got
good
goals
side.
they trying to
Even
reach.
laundry.
They got goals they trying to reach.
It started with a few strands, and then it was everywhere. Stop the shedding with Pantene Abundant and Strong System, powered by Pro Vitamins. Reduces hair loss by 85%. Grow healthier hair without the $180.
Kraft mac and cheese is better than Life Partners. When we say we'll be ready in 10 minutes, we mean it.
That's the biggest myth in my whole life. I thought that was real macaroni.
Papa.
Y'all Papa too, but what's his real name?
We don't know that.
Y'all don't know his real name?
Gigi, why do I?
Supposed to know what'd you say?
We don't know that.
Why don't y'all know y'all
They like, why is you what?
Y'all got how many Papas?
2.
So y'all
Why y'all act? Why you telling us that? We don't know that.
What's y'all regular Papa name?
Papa. Terrell.
What's his real name?
Terrell.
Oh, okay.
They said
Your dad's name is Terrell?
My dad's name is Roger. Like my brother.
Okay, you have 2 brothers.
Oh, can we move on? Okay, yeah, we'll move on. Okay.
can we move on?
Actually, I have more than 2. What's my favorite color?
Purple.
Okay. So now we're at 4-4.
No, I'm at 5 now.
Every time I hold up them damn fingers, I just be like, Mama, show you ought to be ashamed of your damn
Oh,
self.
I need some lotion. Y'all got me out here down bad. Let me see.
Wait, first of all, they didn't get one of those shirt things.
It's over there, and I'm gonna put it on in a minute when we're done with our video. What's my last name?
Lushan.
My last name.
People.
Not anymore.
What?
Skylar said, what?
Ooh,
She don't like that.
Yep. It's
This from in your dream.
in my dream.
Yeah, this song from the movie.
Okay, so we're at 6-4. Remember, the first person is 10, right?
20. No.
We ain't doing no 20 damn questions. I don't got 20 things that's about me that's exciting for. Girl, where you get that toy from? Is that yours?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say, I know you put that in my computer.
And mine.
What's my favorite food?
Fujiyama. Yeah.
Nope.
What?
Give y'all one more chance.
Why do they think Fujiyama my favorite? That ain't
I get it.
No, that's Binky's favorite, not mine.
No, that's not. That man.
Look at mine.
What do they sell at Fat Man? What you say, Lon? You said that's not a hint?
He said that's not
What kind of hint are you looking for? When you cut? Okay,
He be so serious. He said a hard hit.
Okay, a hard hint. Okay, a hard hint.
He had just got done painting his baseball before we left, y'all.
No, because she didn't say the food. She just said the restaurant. That restaurant sells lots of kind of food. She didn't say what my favorite food is.
It was fries and
I don't.
fish.
Okay, fish, but not fries. I'm not giving you that point because it took you too long. My favorite food is fish. Not the neck.
Wait, the first letter in it?
Huh?
He said, what's the first letter? Lon's still working on his hints. He's like, what's the
Fish. Batman's is a restaurant. I said my favorite
That's the
food.
only thing?
Oh, God.
The first one.
Oh, I got a good one. Who is my favorite singer?
This part got me, y'all.
Y'all know who my
Your little people always think you can move mountains and like you're just the shit, right?
Another hit.
It's a lady. It's a lady.
What color is it?
What color is her? What is with Skylar and these colors of people? Probably because she got 2 different color families. Y'all know she got a white granny and then she got me.
What was it? You got a rash or something?
It is la 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 la.
What?
Bing.
What was the question?
Who's your favorite singer?
Yeah, you don't know who my favorite singer is?
Yes,
Who is it?
me.
You sing, hey, how you doing? I didn't know you sing. It's Mary J. Blige.
No,
Watch this. Watch this. The best part.
Morning, gorgeous.
That is you, girl.
He said, "That's you, girl."
That's Mary J.
For them to think that that's my voice, yeet the D.
That is your phone.
Oh, okay then. Okay.
So it is 5 to 6. 5 6.
Okay, 5 6.
I wonder where we. But
Wait, why is it 5 to 6?
I can't lie.
You said it's me. It's Mary J.
You said that.
Oh, okay.
Wait,
Cause I said,
what did you say again?
good morning, gorgeous.
Yeah. That's what you said when you do your video. You just said it.
Okay.
He said, "You just said it. That's what you said when you do your video." So that means it's me.
5 6.
But then 6 7 6 7.
Okay.
I think love that 6 seconds.
Who are my favorite people in the whole wide world? Aww.
Nice try.
He said, "Nice try."
7.
Oh, you want to do that?
That was an ending score. 6-7.
Wait a minute.
Okay, here's all y'all food, so start with the last one. Yeah.
Not my phone.
This is mine. Okay. Got mine, y'all. He's shaking it up. Because he had to shake it up. That's yours. That's yours. Yeah. I'm gonna know how you move over in a minute. 1 second.
They was tearing them crab legs up. You heard me?
So we're gonna let them see y'all.
Y'all, I got one time to eat something, or I think if I overindulge in something, then I don't like it no more. Y'all know I used to tear crab legs up, right? Tear them up. Last time I went to that place and I got a broil,
So the end result is
I puked as soon as I started eating. I ain't been back since.
I think y'all it's about the same. Yeah. But the thing is,
Here she go.
I know you can't be a sports coach.
Huh?
Roll your back down. Okay, y'all.
What's that?
So they've been turned to milk, flour, and
Hold on 1 second, cause we'll talk about that in a minute. But where you at?
y'all got down in the comments and let us know who y'all think knows BG best.
Okay, I see you.
Are you watching the video in the season?
I am. And the ending score was 6-7. That was the ending score.
All right, and how do y'all end your video?
6-7. He said, "How was your day today, Ronaldo?" Oh, Ronaldo. Excuse me. Look how y'all was eating them. Y'all was looking like delicious. Delicious, yo.
What do you mean?
Cause I shouldn't have got no soda anyway. Oh y'all, my hair look raggedy on there. I promise this is a human wig. Wait, it look odd. Tomorrow ain't Friday.
What about you fighting for your lunch, bro?
On Friday, I don't think there's gonna be any school Friday either. Look at Lon. Yeah, it's still snowing right now. Yep. He was tearing that food up, y'all. Okay, I think that's the end. So we enjoyed ourselves. Can you help me in? Okay, can you help me in my video? Who your mom is? She doing her school. Oh, she in college? Mom's in college. Okay, make sure y'all like. Help me in my video. Make sure y'all.
Comment, subscribe,
and
hit that post.
what she said. And I'm gonna call y'all back. How was your day at school today? Huh? It was. Where G? Hey G.
You got a gift again.
She do?
Yeah.
Another one?
Yeah, look.
Hi G. She said hi. I'm doing my video, so I'm gonna call you when I'm done, okay? Oh, gee, I like that toy. That's nice. Really?
Oh, dang. Did you look at this spider?
What was that? Oh, whoa, look at his teeth. He got big teeth. I'm gonna call you back as soon as I'm done recording my videos, okay?
Okay.
All right, love you. Love you, G. Love you. They a mess.